So hello guys, you wanted to make a thing, so okay, do you want making a heli, a thing, wait, a helicopter camera with the engineers? Okay, I will put a lot of them. Okay. I put 2 melons, wait, 5 melons to put right here. So I spawned cars to put the engineers, spawned 5 cars to hop in the engineers. So even I removed these. Okay, so I'm gonna do right now, it's to put these right. Okay, my dad is watching a movie. It's so super loud that I got scared. Oh shoot, what the freak? The girl just fell in. And oh my god. Okay, time to make it. I just watched my dad's movie. It's kind of laggy though. Okay, I removed one. Okay, trying to delete these things. Okay, time to delete them. Okay. I scratched my head because I forgot it. Holy shit, baby. What the? So there's 2 engineer flying cars. So I attached this big camera. And what's the scale size of it? You see the set transform. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Nothing, just chilling. Nothing, mom, just chilling. No, just chilling with my phone. Just chilling. Okay. I didn't destroy this yet, so I need to destroy it. Okay, oh, fuck this shit. Oh, I freaked. Okay. Trying to make it another one. Just delete this one. Trying to delete this one. Just go delete it. What the fuck? Okay. Here it is. Oh. Okay, time to. Oh my god. Okay, let me move this away to make this space a little bit bigger and trying. Okay, like this one is broken. Glasses are broken. Trying to make another one. Trying to make another one.
Wearing is for longer only. Combustion.
Oh, don't click that. Deleted the Robux for this. Okay, click it. Click this. So I'm trying to remove this. Okay, let me do something about it. Oh fuck, don't fly from the melon. She's dead, bro. She's dead. Okay, turn off the radio.
Right here. Hold that. That's a bad idea. I mean, like Roman level bad. What? What are you talking about? You heard what I said.
Maybe eating for work. Okay, it's fuck. How's that gonna work? How's that gonna work? I just made one. What? Holy shit. Oh. Oh shit.
I can get it.
Okay, so here we go. Oh, don't delete it. I just slapped. Okay, trying to get a ranger. And trying here. So let's go resize it. It's not up yet. Okay. If it touches it, click the fucking copy. Holy shit. Okay. You Here's a massive camera. This one is still broken. Still belated. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay, stop singing right now. Stop singing. Okay. Here it is. The final part is to remove this. Just eat it. Okay, let's go. Oh fuck, it got broke. She got died. Oh, what the? She's turning gray. What? She's turning gray though. It's a gray one. It's a gray one. Okay, never mind. Just put it back. Put it back into our normal melon. Stop it. Oh, what the fuck is that? What the freak? Gucci's on my PGs. Waking up, Gucci's on my PJs. And all this stuff. Gotta be a good day. Okay, oh. Is it that? Fucking deleted that. Just delete the guy. Deleted the melon. Okay, melon. Okay, I will make it mortal. Okay.
I'm going to my bed to show you around. I was wondering,
Okay.
I know you're a good man. I would have gotten out of that way all. You built such a beautiful life, filled with love and family. Never got that job. So I hope you never hang out that. This is your legacy. I know that. You know what I can't figure out? How someone born so rich can just afford to life.
Okay, so set the layer into this. Set this layer into this. Okay, just gonna.
I have nothing because of you, my future, my family. So that trouble.
Oh god.
I'm gonna break yours. My peace. Stop talking. It's like yes. I'll come and stay.
Okay. So here you go. Here it is. So here we go. So all you have to do is to put the melon right here into the ranger, so it will look like a agent. Okay, time to attach the Ranger right on the. Okay. Okay. This is the book right here. Here it is. Here. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, yo. Okay. And the lady. Okay. Here it is. Oh, I forgot. I forgot it to put disabled collision. Okay.
This guy doesn't just want us dead, he wakes us off the planet. Exactly why we
What the-
link back up with Dom.
How did that attach by the head?
You need to see this. We've been paid to talk to us. And anyone the other one hasn't come in.
Oh fuck, I delete the Ranger.
Let's go wait for you. And where are you going? I'm gonna take some grapes.
Okay. Time to resize it again to a smaller size.
This is nobody's goal before. Caught without so much as a fight. That's no fun. It's like going all the way to Everest and sneaking an elephant.
Okay. Time to attach it from the head.
I know you did some good work for me. I'm sure you figured that buys you some relief. But it's a new day. That's the problem now. There's no relief.
Oh my god. Disabled collision. Disabled collision.
Spies have been replaced by satellites. Fighter pilots by drones. Intelligence.
Ah,
by
this
algorithm.
sucks. I forgot to set the layer. Oh yes. Here we go.
Any minute behind the wheel of the car over. What are you doing?
Ready ka na maligo.
Oh my god. I need to go, guys. So bye bye.